How to use Shopify for beginners. In this video, I will show you how to use Shopify the right way. As you can see that I am inside the members area of Shopify. But first of all, if you want to gain access to Shopify with 30 days free trial, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify 30 days free trial. Now, let me show you how to add products here on Shopify. It is so easy. Just go to products. When you go here to products, you can able to upload your own products here on Shopify. So what you can do here, you can also import existing products here on Shopify. But now let me show you how to add your own product here. I'm going to click here to add a product. And then after that, you're going to write a title about the product that you want to sell here on Shopify. So you can write anything. It can be short sleeve t-shirt for guys, short sleeve t-shirt for kids, all of the stuff you can do here. Then you can go to product description. So for product description, you can write the product description by hand, but I like to use this AI tool from Shopify. I'm just going to put some keywords that I want this AI tool to write product for me. I'm just going to put this keyword t-shirt for men. And then for the tone of voice, I'm going to leave a default. I'm going to click keep generate. Then this AI tool, it is done writing content for me automatically. Now I'm going to keep it. Then I'm going to go to media. Then under media on Shopify, what you can do, you can able to write, so you can able to choose product images here. You can select them on your laptop or on your PC. And then after that, you can also go to categories. You have to choose which category does your product fall under, which category here, such as this: entertainment, business, electronics, camera. I'm going to choose as apparel and accessories. Then you're going to go to pricing. Under pricing on Shopify, you can put the price that you're willing to sell your products. Then you can go to cost per item, for how much it's going to cost you to purchase the product in your supplier. Then it's going to show you the profit that you'll be making. It's going to also show you the margins that you'll be making. Leave everything as default. Then you can save it. This is how you can easily add your own product on Shopify. It is so simple. You can do this, guys. You don't have to complicate this stuff. Leave everything as default. Then you can save it. You can just click here to this white button. Now let's go to collections. Then when you click here to collections, you can able to check how many collections you have in your store. You can also create a collection there. Now let's go to customers. Under customers on Shopify, it allows you to check your customers details, everything here. You can also import existing customers there. Then you can also go to analytics. Then under analytics, you can able to check on how your store it is performing. You can check the total sales that you got in the specific days, or in the last 30 days, or today. You can check all of those things here under analytics, guys. Okay, you can also go to online store conversion rate. Like if your store it is getting 10% conversion rate out of 100 visitors, it means your store it is converting very, very, very well. So you can analyze there. You can check the total orders. You can check the top selling products. If you're selling multiple products on Shopify, you can check which one are getting the more orders. Then you can go to marketing. I highly recommend, guys, that you do email marketing on Shopify. It's going to be here on marketing, meaning that you can send automated emails in your customers. People who went on the checkout but they never purchased, you can send email follow-ups. Those people, they're going to buy from you via emails, guys. You're going to get a lot of orders, okay? You can also offer some discounts on Shopify. What I like about discount is that you're going to able to get more orders, because if you offer 10% discounts, 6% discounts, people, they want to buy from you in your Shopify store. Then you can also go to online store. these are the themes that Shopify are giving you for free, guys. Okay, that you can add these themes, done for you themes in your Shopify stores. If you're in a beauty niche, you can just add these stores. It's going to be added automatically in your Shopify store. Don't forget to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify's 30 days free trial. Take care and may God bless you. Sharp, guys.